Hi everybody. Well, today is the day that I'm going to actually harvest my garlic. Um, I've been doing my research. This is the first time I've ever grown garlic, so I had to do some research in regards to harvesting it and what the signs are, blah 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 blah. So yeah, it is ready. It's already brown. The stems are starting to get brown, and it's ready. I'm really excited. I'm hoping it's a good result. So let's get to it and see what happens. And it's the thunder is starting to roll, and I guess this is a better time than any. All right, here it goes. I forgot to grab a shovel, so I'm hoping. Let's see. This is my first one. Oh wow. So wiggle it back and forth. Here's one. Yay! Ah, I wish I would have brought my shovel out here. These two grew together. There's like 3 together. Wow, how did that happen? Wow. Should have worn my gloves. Wow. Look at that. That's beautiful. I'm so excited. The elephant garlic, I don't know. I'm afraid to do that. See this one. This one's even a little deeper. That one's good. This stem looks a little small on this one, but it's deeper. It doesn't look like it's promising, but hey. The elephant I'm going to leave a little bit more, but look at that. So I can separate these ones. Look at that. So excited. Yeah, I'm going to let this garlic here get, I guess, just a little bit bigger, because I guess I can look and see how this is going, but doing something. I'm not going to mess with it. I'll wait to see what more. How much more. Wait till it gets more brown. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. First time garlic. Now I need to cure it and let it dry. And I'm going to go ahead and braid it because I think that looks really pretty. I'm going to let it sit out here and dry. And have some garlic. Everyone have a great day. And thank you for coming to my channel today. It was fun. Take care. Bye-bye. Winston! Say bye. Woof woof. I went ahead and I harvested my elephant garlic. I am so excited. I'm so excited. Look at this. Look how big this is. It's huge. It's got all these little baby garlics you can use to replant. And this is the one I accidentally pulled. Here a couple months ago, I accidentally pulled it by accident. It was not even, it was like maybe half of half. It was like a quarter of this size. And it's pretty much tripled in size. So the roots look great. It oh, I'm just so excited. Look how big this elephant garlic is. Yes, I will definitely be planting again in October, garlic. And if you preserve it right and you cure it right, which I will be doing, look how big this stem is. But anyway, if you preserve it right and you cure it and you dry it for a few days, you can hang this in your kitchen along with, I'm going to braid all of my garlic that I did end up harvesting, which, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. So yeah, my elephant garlic. I went ahead and harvested it, and I think I'll be good on garlic for a little while. Everyone stay well, and happy gardening.